Well, hey biscuits! Welcome back to the channel. How is your autumn going? Are you festive like we're feeling? I have a bunch of my set decor out because we are working on filming a new episode of Which Way to Romance, which is the streaming series of my romance novels. I have it over on my OnlyFans. It is Rose Kelly PPV over there, and we do different episodes. I love it. This is the time of year that was made for Which Way to Romance episodes because, you know, it's a paranormal romance. But it's been great fun. We even did an episode, and it was kind of a beta testing episode of those last 10 pounds with Harriet from that series in my romance novels, which is like a contemporary one. And that was really fun to shoot. It was very different than all our romance, Which Way to Romance episodes, but it's been fun to do. But I'm going to bring you along on some homemaker hacks for October. Stuff you should be doing, could be doing, would be doing to have a wonderful hygge home, because who doesn't want to have a cozy hygge home? Who doesn't want to have a home that they just feel like it's a warm blanket wrapped around them? Oh, there is something about having a home that you love and feel good in that is so powerful. That is something that I'm really leaning into the rest of the year and next year, is making sure that whatever space I call my home, I am really feeling good and safe and comfortable and loved and tended to in my space. And that's something that we can lose sight of sometimes. So come on, let's talk about it. This one might seem kind of out of the blue. Mom jokes. Spray your windows this time of year. Get them clean, wipe them down, your exterior windows, the outside of them, so that you get more light into your house as the days are getting shorter. It's going to make a big difference for having your house feel brighter and cheerier during a time of year where we really notice that the days are shortening, right? So there's all different ways to do this. I have, like, you know, the spray containers that you would use to spray herbicides outside? You can use that for spraying some on the windows. You can just squirt Windex. Get yourself a good squeegee that can really scrub and just tidy up those windows outside. It makes such a difference. Your home will be brighter and airier without you having done anything else. It's amazing. Okay, biscuits. This one, less fun than the windows maybe. I mean, the windows I feel like are instant satisfaction, but this is useful. Deep clean your oven now, because it's pie season, it's baking season, it's going to be cookie season soon. Oh, biscuits. I made, if you follow on Instagram, you saw a photo of it. I made a apple raspberry Italian plum crumble, and it was so good. I might have eaten way too much of it, but I'm okay with that. Because it is baking season. We are here. I wait all year for baking season because I love to bake. In the summertime, you know, I'm mainly baking like breads or focaccias. We do a lot of pizza alla romanias. You know, so it's more like yeast leavened kind of fun stuff, which I love. I love making bread, don't get me wrong. But this time of year is when I start going, oh, it's pie season, pie party. Biscuits, should I do like a pie series for Patreon? Okay, so next month, November, is our once a year. This is the only time of year when I do this. It's an all request month on Patreon. And you have to start requesting it now because those slots fill up and there's a max amount I can film. But if you're a Patreon on there, or if you're joining now, go request if you'd like to see like a whole pie series. That would be so much fun, like a bake with me series. Okay, let me know. Let me know if you think that'd be a good idea. Okay. This one's hard for me, I'll admit it. It's not my strong suit. Clear out all the products from your bathroom. I know you're like, oh, do I have to? I like to hoard random samples, half-used soap bars. I mean, I don't know why. Clearly I'm just a hoardy poo. But I want all the beauty products in my room, in my bathroom, even though I'm not using them. And you know what I did this fall is I cleared them out. And clearing them out, both to declutter and to make room, try new products once you clear them out. I love sampling new products. I love buying something new and trying it out and seeing like, oh, is this really going to change my self-care routine, my skincare routine? Maybe it's just calming and relaxing. But you won't know that until you clean out your bathroom supplies and all your products and try out some new ones. Maybe you want to streamline, maybe you want to declutter, maybe you just want to try some new stuff. Okay. This one's actually really fun because it smells good. I love home cleaning hacks and life tips that make things smell good because I love good smelling stuff. Deep clean all the carpets and rugs in your house. And the way I do this, and you can also shampoo your carpets, but this is without shampooing them, is you spray the carpets with a little bit of vinegar in a spray bottle, sprinkle on some baking soda, and then right before you turn on the vacuum, sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon here and there. It does not have to cover your rug like the baking soda does. And then vacuum it up. And your rugs are going to be sparkly. It's going to help with any smells on the rugs and carpets. And then the cinnamon is going to make your whole house smell delicious. Oh, I kind of want to come over to your house, Biscuits, just to smell how good they're going to smell, because cinnamon vacuumed up. Ooh, la la. I do not mind. I do not mind at all. Okay, Biscuits. Those are some of my home hacks, homemaker tips for October, because this is such a fun month to be a homemaker. I love it. There's something about fall that feels very homemaker-y centric to me. I feel like winter we all get a little bogged down with, the cruddy weather, and in spring we get excited for newness. So there's something about those transition autumn and spring seasons that I just feel very, very at home in being a homemaker. Okay, Biscuits, I will see you over on my Patreon page. I will see you here in the next video, because I love you, Biscuits. Thank you for being a part of this channel. It means so much to me that you support me on here and that you are so kind and loving. I love our community. See you in the next video.